Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you how to insulate your A-frame or any mabati house using double-sided polyethylene. If you're new here, my name is Patricia. I design and build houses for a living, and I'm also passionate about various DIY projects. So guys, if that's your kind of thing, kindly subscribe and like this video. Generally, what happens with roof insulation is you have this double-sided roof insulation that has, as you can see, this is film, foil, aluminium foil, and then on this other side you also have the same foil. Stacked in between is this polyethylene foam sheets. Let me show you the polyethylene sheets alone. This is how they look like, and then they come and plaster the film on both sides, okay, like this. Okay, so guys, let me explain how this insulation works. So let's assume this is your roof, okay, and this, assuming, is the inside of the house, okay. The right way of installing your insulation is leaving an airspace between your roof and where you install your insulation, okay. Yeah, so if you leave your airspace, assuming this is your mabati, and then you have your rafters, your battens, then come and put your radiant barrier. This is what I'm going to be calling it for now, for the purpose of this video. Come and place your radiant barrier. That airspace, it helps, it gives this allowance for radiant heat to be lost, to be reflected back. There must be a space, okay. Now this space should be like ideally from an inch going forward, like the further away from the roof the better. You're trying to cut cost. If you go with the minimum minimum millimeter, you are safe, because this reflective surface, it will reflect like around 90% of the heat, and it will work. For 10 millimeter ni mahali like it's extremely hot. Are doing it in a budget and you want to get iso maximum effect, you just make sure between your roof and your radiant barrier umeacha like a huge space, okay. That is going to help, and that is going to. So guys, where to find this insulation? I get mine from ABC Easy Solutions. You can find it on Instagram, and for the 3mm one, it goes for around, I think, 24,000, 25,000. You'll see it. For the 5mm, it goes for around, is it 26, guys? So go for the prices, go to ABC Easy Solutions on Instagram. That's where I get my stuff from. Their contacts are, I write them down below. And guys, if you have any questions, kindly ask, subscribe.